Hello friends. Look, it's molecule. Molecule brings us a new letter. This is it, letter D. Let's say it together. D. D. Good job. The letter D can be at the beginning of a word. Look, what is this? Dog. The letter D can be in middle of a word. Look, who is this? Candy. The letter D can be in middle of a word. Look, what is this? Bed. Great. Today we learned the letter D. We saw it in the words dog, candy, bed. Thank you, Molecule. See you next time. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe to our channel.